all of these witnesses to love you with an unconditional love. I will honor, support, comfort, and protect you. That's one thing that I do love about her. It is her greatest gift, that she will put everybody else first.
I will always be the loving and supportive wifey and a good mom for this family. I'm excited to spend the rest of my life with you. Hanggang sa pumuti na lahat ng buhok natin sa katawan, mahal na mahal kita. Again, arat na sa habang buhay.